So for my master's project, I made a Power Wheels Bluetooth kill switch, and we have my son Kyle test driving today. You can see that right now I have the power to his car turned off. So can you push the pedal, Kai? And his car has no power. Once I push go, his car will have power and he can go. And I can stop his car at any time and then give him power again. And the last feature is fail-safe mode. So if the car gets too far away and it's no longer connected via Bluetooth, the car will shut off automatically. So you can see right now it's still connected because we have the stop button. Once it's not connected anymore, it will say Bluetooth not connected and his car will turn off. So it looks like it's still getting the signal as he's coming closer to us again. And the other nice thing about the app is you can have it in the background and it's still going to continue working. You can do whatever else you need to do on your phone and his car will continue to get power. So it looks like he just went out of range. You can see it's flipping between Bluetooth not connected. So it's just barely having a connection right now. If we walk closer, his car will get power again. And you can see it turned right back on. And now I can press stop and his car's turned off. And I can press go and he has power. And that's my project.